How to make a Minecraft server for free. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video presentation, today we are going to discuss about how can we make a Minecraft server for free. So adding and configuring your Minecraft server for gaming can be an enjoyable experience. There are various methods available for achieving this goal. Some may opt to purchase memory on an external server and set up the server independently. Others might choose to utilize their PC for server installation, and additionally, setting up a new server in Minecraft Pocket Edition using the guide on how to create a public server in Minecraft can be a straightforward process. So creating a public server in Java does not have to be overly complicated if you follow the necessary steps diligently. To set up a public server in Minecraft, follow the steps. Update Java and configure Minecraft server files first. Since the Minecraft is developed using the Java programming language, it's essential to update the Java to the latest version before setting up the server. You will also need to obtain the Java server files. And here is how you can do it for free. First of all, you have to visit the Minecraft server downloads and download the file Minecraft server 1.11.jar on server.jar. Create a new folder named Minecraft server and place the .jar file in it, and also double-click the Minecraft jar file to run the server file. Note that if the downloaded jar file is named server.jar, use server.jar instead of Minecraft server 1.11.jar during the setup process. To run the server file accurately for server setup, proceed to the next step. Execute the server by saving it as a batch file. When saving a file in Notepad, you can specify an extension and set the file type. By default, files saved in Notepad have a .txt extension, while batch files have .bat extension. Therefore, ensure to remove the txt extension and keep it as a batch file. And here is how you can save it as a batch file and run the server. Access the Minecraft server folder first, then right-click and select New and choose a text document. Create a text document named Run. Input the following statement. Rename the file to run.bat and set the save as type to all the files. To use it, you must agree to its license agreements. Step 3 is to edit UELA. When running any Minecraft server, you will encounter a license agreement that requires your agreement before proceeding. To agree, you must edit the EULA file within .txt extension, and here is how you can edit and agree to the EULA agreement. Open the EULA.txt file, then change EULA to false to EULA to true. Finally, run the bat file to set up the server on your PC. Step 4 is to start your server. To initiate your Minecraft server, simply double-click on the server.jar. Connect to your Minecraft server. Play on your created server. Follow the steps to join your Minecraft server. Launch Minecraft and go to Multiplayer from the main menu. Click on the Add Server button. Enter your server name and input localhost in the server address field. Click Done. Select your server from the list and hit Join Server. You won't need to adjust your router settings initially, but you may have to forward ports later on. Step 6 is to check your external IP address. After forwarding the ports, you will need to identify your external IP address. Follow these steps to find your external IP address. Visit the www.google.com in your web browser. Search for external IP in the search box. Note down your IPv4 and IPv6 address displayed by the search engine. It's crucial for players wanting to connect to your server. And step 7 is to connect with your Minecraft server. Connecting your Minecraft server to the game is vital. And here is how you can do it. First of all, open Minecraft, go to the main menu and select Multiplayer. Click Add Server. Enter your server name and address. If you're using an IPv6 type address, enclose it in square brackets and click Done and prepare to connect your server. Choose your server and select Join Server. Others can utilize your IP address details to connect your server. For security, share your external IP only with trusted individuals to limit access to your server. To customize the preferences in the Minecraft, configure its settings. Step 8 is to customize the game settings on your server. While not mandatory, customizing your server settings can enhance your gaming experience. Follow the steps to configure your server settings. Open the server.properties file using a text editor like VS Code or Notepad. Change game mode to 0 to game mode to 1 for creative mode. Feel free to adjust other settings to your liking, but exercise caution when modifying files in text editors to avoid disrupting the server setup. Creating your own Minecraft PE server for free is a straightforward process. By using Minecraft Pocket Edition and the Alternos hosting service, you can establish a server without any cost. The process involves setting up a server, running the necessary files, launching it, noting the details, and integrating them into the Minecraft game. Share the details with your friends and enjoy gaming together. So this was all about it. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.